Imagine looking up at the night sky and knowing one of the stars you're seeing is about to go in the most violent way possible. We're not talking millions of years from now. This could happen at moment. And the best part? We're watching it unfold in real time. The star in question? It's called Betelgeuse, one of the most massive, luminous stars in our galactic neighborhood. It's located in the Orion constellation and is about 642 light-years from Earth. That might sound far, but in cosmic terms, it's practically next door. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant, a massive star nearing the end of its life. These stars live fast and die young. While our sun will shine for about 10 billion years, Betelgeuse will only last a few million. And right now, scientists believe it's nearing the final phase A. Supernovae are among the most energetic events in the universe. When a massive star runs out of fuel, its core collapses under gravity. In less than a second, the core shrinks to the size of a city. The outer layers, they rebound and explode outward at incredible speeds, releasing more energy than the sun will emit in its entire lifetime. If Betelgeuse goes supernova, it will be so bright it could outshine the full moon. For weeks, even during the day, you could look up and see a new star in the sky. Imagine the ancient skies lit by something so powerful and mysterious that our ancestors might have thought the gods were angry. In fact, some ancient supernovae were recorded in human history. Chinese astronomers documented a supernova in 1054 that created the Crab Nebula. They said it was so bright, you could read by its light at night. Betelgeuse going supernova would be an even more stunning display. But how do it's about to explode? In late 2019 and early 2020, Betelgeuse did something strange. It dimmed dramatically, enough that you could notice it with the naked eye. Astronomers were stunned. Was this the sign it was about to blow? Turns out the dimming was likely due to a huge cloud of dust ejected by the star, temporarily blocking its light. But the event sparked renewed interest. Betelgeuse was changing, and scientists were watching. More recent observations using space telescopes and interferometers have revealed that Betelgeuse is not only unstable, but actively shedding its outer layers. That's a classic sign that a star is in its final death throes. It's swollen to more than 700 times the size of the Sun. If it were placed in the center of our solar system, it would engulf Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and even Jupiter. So, should we be worried? Thankfully, no. Betelgeuse may be close in cosmic terms, but it's still far enough that the supernova won't harm Earth. The energy released will mostly be in the form of light and neutrinos, which will pass right through us. What we get is a front-row seat to one of the most awe-inspiring spectacles in the cosmos. And the scientific payoff? Immense. If Betelgeuse explodes in our lifetime, we'll get to study a supernova from the very beginning, something humanity has never done with modern instruments. We could learn how heavy elements like gold and uranium are formed. We could even get clues about the fate of massive stars and the birth of neutron stars or black holes. There's also a deeper philosophical layer. Events like this remind us that the universe is alive, dynamic, and constantly changing. Stars are born, live, and die, and we, floating on a pale blue dot, get to witness it. So, every time you look up at Orion and see that reddish star on his shoulder, Betelgeuse, know that you might be looking at a cosmic time bomb. And one day, perhaps soon, that star might vanish in a flash of light so intense it will shake the skies. When will it happen? No one knows. It could be tomorrow or in 100,000 years, but whenever it does, it will be one of the most spectacular events humanity has ever seen, and the countdown may have already begun. For more videos like this, visit and subscribe to Knowledge Hub.